Hi everyone, welcome to yet another video here at Lowyat.net, and once again you are here with Chief Chapri. Today we're going to take a look at this interesting mystery box from OnePlus Malaysia. In case you missed the news, on 4th August, OnePlus Malaysia will begin selling this mystery box to celebrate. I'm not sure whether to celebrate or to mark the launch of OnePlus Nord in Malaysia, but in a way it will be interesting because out of 450 boxes, a couple of them will actually come with the phone itself, and some of the boxes will also include the OnePlus Buds. So imagine paying only 99 ringgit to get the new OnePlus Nord or the equally new OnePlus Buds. Well, this box in particular, it's not part of the 450 boxes that OnePlus Malaysia will release to the public on 4th August, but nevertheless, we still haven't opened it yet. When it arrived in our office just an hour ago. Well, it's true, we really don't know what's inside. So, well, we're gonna show it to you shortly. Moment of truth. Let's do this. Suspect. Let's see what we get. Are we gonna get a phone, buds, jacket, or some OnePlus Nord merch? Can you see it? Can you see it? What's inside? What's inside? What we have here. Oh, so there's a tote bag, OnePlus Nord tote bag. Then there's also, what's this? Oh no! Don't. Looks like no phone. Looks like we're not getting phone. We're getting L here, my friends. We have a green colored OnePlus Nord tumbler, and there's also something here. Okay, let me cover that. Actually it's a coupon worth 99 ringgit for you to use at the official OnePlus Malaysia store in Shopee. There you go, I'm covering that. So 99 ringgit off. Not sure whether you can see that. Yeah. Well, it's rather unfortunate no box, no phone, sorry. No buds, no phone. Just some heartbreak for all of us here at Lowyat.net. Why you do this to us, OnePlus? Well, anyway, that's what mystery box is all about. It's you just wish upon your lady luck that you win the main prize. So for some people they call it the gacha life. Well, what else to do? Okay. Anyway, it's just a short one. Now we really wish that we have the OnePlus Nord here. We'll get back to you once we finally able to get the phone in our hand. God knows how long that's gonna take. Well, that's about it. A very short video from us this time around. I will just wish there's more to show. But nevertheless, thank you for tuning in. Please consider liking this video and share with your friends and family, although it's very short. And nevertheless, your support always means a lot to all of us here at Lowyat.net. Before we say farewell, please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, and please hit the bell icon to make sure that you will be notified whenever we release a new video. This is Chief Chapri signing off.